Dogs are more than just pets. They are companions, protectors, and even heroes. But how well do we really know them? Today, we'll uncover 10 incredible facts about dogs that will surprise you, make you smile, and maybe even change the way you see your furry friend. From their ancient origins to their extraordinary senses and intelligence, dogs are truly remarkable creatures. Stay with us until the end. Some of these facts are truly mind-blowing. Fact 1. From wolves to best friends. Did you know that dogs were the very first animals ever domesticated by humans? Around 15,000 to 30,000 years ago, wolves began to interact with human groups. Over time, the friendlier wolves stayed closer to camps, scavenging for food, and slowly forming a unique bond with people. This partnership changed human history. Dogs helped with hunting, protection, and companionship. Scientists now believe that without dogs, early humans might not have survived in such harsh environments. Yes, when your dog curls up next to you, remember, that bond is thousands of years old. Fact 2. Superpower Smell. A dog's nose is nothing short of incredible. While humans have about 5 million scent receptors, dogs can have up to 300 million. Their sense of smell is so powerful that they can detect scents we could never imagine. For example, dogs are trained to detect explosives, drugs, and even missing people. But here's something even more fascinating. Studies show dogs can smell certain diseases, including diabetes, cancer, and even changes in human emotions. When your dog seems to sense that you're sad or sick, it's not just intuition, it's biology. Fact 3. Canine Intelligence. Many people underestimate how smart dogs really are. Research shows that an average dog can understand about 165 words and signals, while the smartest breeds, like border collies and poodles, can learn up to 250 words. Dogs can solve problems, remember solutions, and even deceive other dogs or humans to get what they want. In some experiments, dogs showed the ability to count small numbers and even recognize themselves in mirrors to a limited extent that, next time your dog gives you that look, don't be surprised. They probably know more than you think. Fact 4. Dogs feel emotions like us. Dogs aren't just reacting to our behavior. They actually feel emotions. Brain scans show that dogs experience happiness, fear, anxiety, and even jealousy. When you come home after a long day and your dog jumps with excitement, that's genuine joy. Some studies even suggest that dogs can read human faces and body language better than most other animals, which explains why they seem to understand us without words. This deep emotional connection is one reason why dogs are used as therapy animals to help people with depression, PTSD, and anxiety. Fact 5. A world of breeds. Today, there are over 340 officially recognized dog breeds, ranging from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. Each breed was shaped for a specific purpose: herding, hunting, guarding, or companionship. But what's even more fascinating is the sheer diversity. Dogs are the most physically varied species on Earth. No other animal shows such a wide range of sizes, shapes, and personalities. And yet, despite these differences, all dogs belong to the same species, Canis lupus familiaris. Fact 6. Dogs as heroes. Dogs are not just friends, they can be lifesavers. Throughout history, there have been countless stories of dogs protecting humans. From war dogs carrying messages on battlefields, to sled dogs like Balto, saving entire towns by delivering medicine through blizzards, to modern rescue dogs pulling survivors from rubble after earthquakes. In fact, many dogs have received medals of honor for their bravery. They prove time and time again that loyalty is more than just a word. It's a way of life for them. Fact 7. Super senses beyond smell. We already know dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, but their hearing is just as impressive. Dogs can hear sounds up to 4 times farther than humans, and they detect frequencies as high as 65,000 hertz, far beyond our range. This ability allows them to pick up things like the faint squeak of a mouse underground, or the high-pitched signals from a dog whistle that we can't hear at all. There's also evidence suggesting that dogs can sense changes in the environment before humans do, such as earthquakes or storms. Many owners report their dogs acting restless or anxious right before natural disasters occur. Fact 8. Longevity and long-lived breeds. Not all dogs live the same length of time. On average, dogs live 10 to 13 years, but this depends heavily on the breed. Smaller breeds, like Chihuahuas and Dachshunds, often live much longer, some reaching 17 or even 20 years. Larger breeds, like Great Danes or St. Bernards, usually have shorter lifespans, often under 10 years. But with proper care, love, exercise, and nutrition, dogs can live longer and healthier lives. There are even records of dogs living more than 29 years, proving that with the right environment, their companionship can last decades. Fact 9. Dogs and culture and history. Dogs are deeply woven into human culture. From ancient mythology to modern movies, dogs have always symbolized loyalty, courage, and companionship. In ancient Egypt, the god Anubis had the head of a jackal, representing protection and guidance in the afterlife. In Japanese culture, the story of Hachiko, the loyal Akita who waited for his owner every day for nearly 10 years after his death, became a worldwide symbol of devotion. And in modern times, dogs continue to be stars in films, books, and art, reminding us that they're not just pets, but an important part of human history and imagination. Fact 10. Stories of loyalty. Perhaps the most incredible fact of all is a dog's unmatched loyalty. Time and time again, stories emerge of dogs waiting for their owners, protecting them, or even risking their own lives. The tale of Balto, the sled dog who led a team through blizzards to deliver life-saving medicine to Nome, Alaska, is just one example. These stories are powerful reminders that the bond between humans and dogs is unbreakable. For dogs, loyalty isn't a choice, it's who they are. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about dogs. From their ancient partnership with humans to their super senses, intelligence, and legendary loyalty, dogs truly are one of the most extraordinary animals on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow dog lovers. And let us know in the comments, what's the most amazing thing your dog has ever done? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of WONDRIA.